Let me try to get this phone to work here. You don't know what's wrong with this. What the heck is wrong? Oh, here we go. Hello? 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 Oh, hi. Hi, Ray. You got some cigarettes in your double wide? It sure is nice, baby.
I told you I got it on sale from Hilltop Trailers. Only $59.99 a month. I have quite a few cigarettes under the bed, by the shower, and then some by my moldy recliner. But watch out for them water bugs. They fly, baby.
Okay. Well, hey, the other day, man, I cut my grass and found a car. I thought I hit the jackpot, but like my other 7 cars, they all are not mobile. But my home is. That's good. I can't get to the store and get some cigarettes, so that's why I'm asking. Well, I'll be sure to go next door and get some cigarettes from you.
You do that soon so we can play some Texas Hold'em, and I'll get the Bud Lights. Well, guess what, Henry? I walked to the 7-Eleven for some cigarettes, and a young man came up to me and handed me my teeth that had fell out the car door when I parked my mobile home.
Wow, that's pretty nice, I swear. Okay, well, I'm ready. Well, Vicky Lynn, I'm proud of you.
I think he liked me. I need to go to the Walmart and look on the clearance racks and find something nice to wear. I'm going to ask him on my very first date to McDonald's.
Oh, well, really, Vicky Lynn, I'm proud of you. You need to get your new man ever since Henry Joe Bubba left you for his mama. You haven't been the same. I mean, he is your brother, but he's a real boozer. I really want to make this one. I think you should go down to the Dollar General. Old Susie Lynn Rosie works there. And she can get you the new clearance rack on the sidewalk, half off. It'll be real nice. Well, maybe you can get some of the dollar minutes. Well, hold on, this dang pay-as-you-go phone, I'm running out of minutes. So we're going to have to hurry, Susie Lynn. Well, are you taking your kids, Bubba Jr., Susie Ann, Lizzie Susie, Vicky Boo, Johnny Boy Jr., and old Little Junior on your date? Well, I'll be over in a while to get those cigarettes. I just can't get off my couch. Jerry Springer is on, and my cousin Bobby and his wife Linda are on. I haven't seen them since they were born. They came out together. I knew they'd be a real good couple. All right, well, bye, Susie Lynn. I'll call you later. Okay, bye.